Let's have a look at today's HelloFresh box, guys. If we've opened it properly. Let's get it open. Right, let's have a look inside. There we go. What we got today? We have rice and beef tacos and caramel spice pork pilaf and mango chutney. Yummy, yummy. Let's have a look in here then. We've got the tortillas, 2 packs of pepper, some baby germ lettuce, hoisin sauce, another pepper, more hoisin sauce, and some rice vinegar. It's all in that bag, guys. Have a look in this one. And we've got our basmati rice and some mango chutney and some korma style paste, some almond flakes, some chicken stock, some more korma paste, and that's it in that bag. And then we've got the fresh stuff. Let's have a look in here then. We have got some peas, some more peas, some minced beef, some pork mince, Greek yogurt, garlic, and some ice, baby, but it's water. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch you when I'm cooking this lot up. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.